Hello friends, I am Vatsal Thakkar, space Surat. Okay, this is a 1,000 square yard plot. Client wants it very simple because this is just a weekend home. So we just gave 3 bedrooms in such a huge property, and more of the spaces are open, living, dining, and there is huge family sitting over in the first floor, and it is more of open kind of plan and maximum glass windows just to give that feeling of outside going in and inside is blending with outside. So the idea is to give that experience of weekend home where nature is coming inside. So that is the basic idea. And we have used exposed concrete and exposed bricks. More of the natural materials we have used. The structure is covered with beautiful wrapping that starts from terrace, back of the terrace to again it goes back and that becomes a balcony behind. Welcome to the bungalow. Initially, I was reluctant to give a typical entrance door to this bungalow, and I want to keep it informal and we can go through these windows. But client wanted that typical entrance to the house, so we have created this invisible entrance door. Welcome. So this is an entrance door. This is Surat, and continuation with this exposed concrete, exposed brick, and raw look of this bungalow. This steel structure was created, and it is to demarcate entrance for to the living room. And this beautiful Ganesh to welcome us. We have planned this lighting design for the former. So we have designed it in such a way that we have managed to give these random lights into this beautiful and simple living room. We have a beautiful view of garden on one side. So it is almost like an open space connected with garden. And on another side, there is a beautiful view of. So it makes us feel that we are in pool or a garden when we are sitting in this sofa. So we can enjoy this nature. At the same time, we are in the comfort of air condition and all the facilities. Let's go and have a feel of garden. And there is covered outdoor sitting in a veranda to view garden. Puncture in concrete were formed to grow tree through it. Pool has a cascade and 4 rain dams to entertain. Automated pergola were replaced by bamboo pergola to save cost and to add one more natural material. There are this open to sky area created to bring that outside in. So now we can enjoy this green from inside, from dining area. Suppose if we are in a kitchen, then also we are part of the nature. Suppose we are here, so we can be part of this beautiful nature here. So idea is to connect outside with inside. So this OTS brings nature in, and this storeroom is camouflaged with this unit. We have used natural material as much as possible. Like we have used exposed concrete, bamboo in sandelier, and furniture in solid wood, which is also very raw in nature. So it gives that total look of rawness with refined architecture. Let's go upstairs. Most amazing part of this house is this deck. Beautiful view of sunset. This is best part, and this is best place to relax. This beautiful swing for family. Let's go to master bedroom. Master bedroom is simple, elegant. It has exposed brick wall on one side with a raw wood light fixture, exposed concrete, and solid raw wood furniture. We have used this natural veneer. I mean, this is slate veneer which we have used in all the doors. This is the beauty of this bedroom, that one can connect with deck, come out and sit with family and enjoy the sunset. To daughter's room. Between these two rooms, there is open to sky, and which divides these two rooms. It has beautiful service area for services and greenery. Welcome to daughter's room. The language of the ceiling remains same, yet we have changed the material. Here we have used carpet look laminate in these planks for lights, and on this wall we have created some random texture, and that is the only difference. Let's go to second level where there is one home theater room and lower level terrace. Let's go to the home theater room. Acoustic part was done up with glass wool covered with jute panels. Small lower level terrace with a small gazebo and family. Open view from all sides. That is the beauty of this place. And one more place to sit is that ledge. There is also flower bed over here, so we can enjoy the view